This is the brand new Surface Laptop Go 2. It's the lightest member of the Surface Laptop family. It's a perfect companion device. Maybe you have a desktop at home, you've got an older computer, but you need something that's fast, that's portable, that looks great, is sleek and modern. That's where the Surface Laptop Go 2 comes into its own. It's available in 4 gorgeous colors. This is my favorite. This is the brand new one. This is Sage, and it looks gorgeous. But we also have Ice Blue, Sandstone, and Platinum. There's a color to suit every style option. When you open Surface Laptop Go 2 up, you're greeted with a gorgeous 12.4-inch PixelSense touchscreen display. It's running Windows 11. The bezels are nearly non-existent, and it's running that 3:2 surface aspect ratio, which is perfect for productivity. Every Surface Laptop Go 2 is powered by an 11th generation i5 processor. It's 23% faster than the previous Surface Laptop Go, and it's running Windows 11. So everything feels fast thanks to stuff like Instant On, a Windows Hello fingerprint reader built right in here on the keyboard. And speaking of the keyboard, it's a full keyboard. It feels and sounds great. Great for typing, whether it's papers, reports, or just your everyday computer stuff. This is an excellent keyboard to get work done. What about the ports? Well, on the side, you can see we have a Surface Connect port, and that's where you charge it. You can actually get up to 80% of a charge in just under an hour, thanks to fast charging built right into the Laptop Go 2. Now, when we turn it over on the side, you have USB Type-C, Type-A, and the headphone jack. So you can use it with all the accessories you own or any new ones you plan to buy. The material, as I'm holding it, it's a gorgeous aluminum finish with a polycarbonate base. What that means is it's really durable and it's really, really light. This can easily stow in your bag or backpack. Surface Laptop Go 2 is the perfect device for everything you love to do.